BI1291805B Interactive Whiteboard. Transform the way you work with the BI1291805 Interactive Whiteboard. You can achieve anything with a simple touch of your finger. Use all your familiar applications. Works with any standard dry erase pen. Analyze spreadsheets, search the web, present ideas and review designs, just as you would on your computer, but in a more engaging and intuitive way. Your team is naturally more engaged, focused and involved. They maintain their focus as there is no need to take meeting notes. Launch programs, draw shapes, write, type, navigate. Save and record all your notes and ideas, then share them instantaneously via email or save them directly to your computer or network. Your programs and presentations come alive in your hand. Take control, share inspiration. Located in a different building, city or country? No problem. Everyone can be in the same meeting, participate simultaneously and make sure their ideas are shared, saving costs, time and increasing efficiency. Get right into detail. Make your point. Make a big impression. BI1291805 Interactive Whiteboard. The future is in your hand.